The Manipur State Cabinet, which met at the Chief Minister's Secretariat at Manipuri on August 11, approved several key decisions, including in-principle approval for a government medical college at Senapati with an annual intake of 100 MBBS students. The district hospital will also be upgraded to meet the requirements of the proposed college. It also approved allotment of land at the Bishnupur to the old Bishnupur district working journalists for construction of a press club office building. The cabinet meeting has reduced the penalty for delayed renewal of vehicle fitness certificates from 50 rupees to 10 rupees per day as a one-time measure for the period from February 1, 2020 to December 31, 2025. On sports, the cabinet approved enhanced cash incentives for Manipur athletes participating in the Asian Games and Commonwealth Games. The revised Commonwealth Games incentives has been fixed at 20 lakh rupees for gold, 15 lakh rupees for silver, 10 lakh rupees for bronze and 4 lakh rupees for participants. This will include athletes who took part in the 23rd Commonwealth Games Glasgow 2026. It also approved promotion of L. Sushila Devi as Deputy Superintendent of Police Sports and the appointment of Olympian and Arjuna awardee K. Chinglen Sana as Deputy Director, Sports Promotion. The cabinet approved formation of Manipur Sports Development Foundation as a Section 8 company to mobilize CSR funds for sports development. The cabinet further decided to recommend September 2, 2026 to the governor for summoning the 8th session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly.